Hello, welcome to Metridium. This is a 1992 Ocean Alexander 520 Pilothouse. It is a one-owner boat in a boathouse since new, and it is in absolutely astounding condition. The brightwork, gel coat, hull, condition is perfect. The systems are all in excellent condition. Maintenance records since new, and a very knowledgeable and progressive owners. Entering from the stern, there is a hull extension under the swim grid, engineered by Ed Monk Jr. with a ton of storage in it. When you walk aboard, open the back gate, we step onto a very roomy, comfortable cockpit. Teak is in beautiful condition. Moving forward into the salon, it is a very roomy spot. Lots of space for entertaining. Deep freeze to your left, big settee. Lots of storage lockers. Everywhere you look, there's storage on this boat. Ice maker, built-in stereo. As you walk forward towards the galley, which is open to the salon. Large storage lockers, very deep. Full-size fridge, a dishwasher, a trash compactor, ceramic stovetop, convection microwave, and lots of room to spread out. Walking towards the Pilothouse, you see excellent sight lines. Pilothouse doors allow access to the side decks, which are very roomy, easy to handle for their lines and for fenders. Now we're going to go out through the Pilothouse doors onto the nice wide side decks. There is a side opening here as well. And moving forward onto the bow, as you can see, the gel coat is in absolutely excellent condition. The windows are great, the trims are all good. Seals are good. Full remote 3-station windlass. It's at Maxwell 2200 with a nice 30 kilogram Bruce anchor. 400 feet of 3/8 chain, saltwater washdown, and again walking back towards the Pilothouse. Very roomy boat, very safe boat to move around on, easy to maneuver, easy to handle. Detroit diesel power, 6V53 400 horsepower engines, Kohler 8 kilowatt genset. Older nav gear, in excellent shape though, everything works very well. Micro commander controls, a full yacht controller system on this boat as well as Naiad Stabilizers, makes for a very comfortable ride. Westmar bow thruster, PC based Nobletech navigation. We also have HF radio, and an audio listening device for listening to the ocean. You can hear the whales. Rest of the nav gear, radios, and GPSs are above. Again, more storage, more comfortable seating for your friends. And as we walk up the bridge deck, up to the bridge. Open bridge, very roomy, very comfortable, good sight lines, beautiful place to spend a nice day. The tender that comes with the yacht is a 15-foot Zodiac Hurricane model called a Cherokee. Lots of room for dive gear, lots of people, deep V hull on these boats. They're designed for rough water. Nice console with actually a new GPS and sounder on it. The 40 Suzuki and the 2.5 Suzukis are both 2013 with very low hours. Downrigger mounts, everything you'd need to have fun. Beaufort life raft, 6-man. And as you're going further forward again, we'll go down into the staterooms. Now we're heading down below. Beautiful curved staircase. Again, woodwork is in absolutely phenomenal condition. As we move forward, we encounter the day head, which has nice shower, vacuum flush heads, and into the master stateroom. Very roomy, very bright, nice stainless steel windows, lots of lockers, storage under the bed as well. A bureau there, hanging lockers, and its own shower and head. Again, vacuum flush, fresh water. Has an HRO 600 gallon per day water maker, so you can shower and flush to your heart's content. Coming down 2 steps, we come to the double bed bunk room, which has also access to the very roomy, well laid out engine room. It has a Carib washer dryer combo unit, hanging lockers, and of course they all have their own heat source with the Webasto hydronic heat. On this side you'll have the double bunk room, which are very roomy. Adults can easily sleep there. And again, lots of storage. Walking back up, we're almost finished our presentation. I hope you can appreciate how good a shape this boat is in. This broker has never seen a boat to this condition in this age in his career, and it's a rare opportunity to buy a one-owner boat that's been well maintained. The boathouse itself is also for sale. Could be sold as a package in Canoe Cove. Please contact Arbutus Coast Yachts, Gary Weiss, at 250-661-8002 if you would like to view this beautiful yacht. Thank you.